You go through something?
I'm not wasting the foundation, so we're going on the road like.
Well, no, 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 no.
What's up guys, by the name of the title you guys know what's about to go on. I am going to put this whole bottle of foundation on my face. Well, it's not full completely, but it has a good amount in it. I'm gonna put this all over my face to see how Chad reacts. We're going on the road, so I'm getting ready. Chase is downstairs. I just made him something to eat, so Chad is downstairs watching him while I finish getting ready. And I don't know, Chad doesn't love too much makeup. I don't love too much makeup either, but I just thought this would be so funny to see his reaction when this whole bottle of makeup's on my face. So the only thing I have on right now is just a little bit on my eyebrows are filled in, and that's it. So I'm just gonna put this all over. We actually do have to go on the road, so I'm gonna have to end up taking it all off, but I mean, I'm just gonna do this for the subbies because I have to get him. I'm always getting him. I'm always number one, so I'm gonna keep being number one. I'm gonna keep ranking him. I'm gonna keep seeing how he reacts to these crazy things. And let's get started. I'm gonna just put this bottle on my face and just have you guys watch me.
Okay.
So I have to set like my mirror up right here and not in the bathroom because the bathroom doesn't have that great lighting, and it also has a noise. So I put the mirror right here so you guys can actually see me put the foundation on. I'm not going to show you the whole thing because it's going to take forever, but I'm going to just try and get the most out of this that I can, and then I'm going to have Chad buy me back my foundation because this is really this is not expensive, but I mean it's not cheap foundation. So I'm going to just, this is really for you guys because this is like my favorite foundation. God, I'm just gonna have to like layer it on. I don't want to mess up my eyebrows because I don't want to have to do them over. I'm gonna put them on my lips just to see. This foundation is like the best foundation ever. If you guys want to know, this is NARS. This is in medium dark, but this is like the best foundation if you guys need a foundation. So if you're looking for a foundation, this is a good one to get, even though I'm wasting it right now. But I'm gonna have to get it back. I don't know what he's gonna react because, or how he's gonna react, because this is gonna be too funny. I want to get like all of it over my face. It's like my perfect skin complexion, so it's gonna be like hard. I mean, it's gonna look like I have a caked up face, but God, I never thought how annoying this was gonna be. It's like dripping everywhere. Okay, now I see it coming. Do you hear Chase? He's downstairs eating. I made him his smoothie, and all the foundation is on my leg. It's not a good idea. Bad idea. Okay, I think this is gonna be the last one.
Oh my God!
Look like a ghost, and definitely not myself. I'm gonna try and get it over my eyes and everything. So, oh God, he's gonna be like, what? Okay guys, so I'm gonna set the camera up. I'm gonna call him, sit on the bed, pretend I'm taking a selfie like this, and I'm gonna see how he reacts. It's gonna be hilarious. So stay tuned and let's see how we got Team Chad today. Figure out where I'm gonna put this camera. I don't know if I should do it like here because he's gonna come in, or I think, yeah, like over here. Chad, come here.
barely drank the smoothie.
You like this picture?
Yeah, some of the
You like
bread.
this?
Is that filter you use?
What do you mean? No. That's a selfie. I just took it with a regular camera.
Why the top part are so glammy? Like it glowing. Let me
What do you
see.
mean?
Babe. Did you look in the mirror when you doing that?
What do you mean? The mirror is right here. I just did it. I just put on a little extra. Give me a chase. Why are you moving? Give me a chase.
You look like a scarecrow. Babe,
You're
for
so
real.
dramatic. Oh my god. Really?
What? I would like to put my body.
Just spill on me. What's wrong with it?
Babe, that don't look good.
Me and Chase can take a pic.
Babe, babe.
I'm gonna upload this.
Did you like dose the powder all over your face? Babe, don't put that up. Don't put that up. Don't put that up. People are gonna laugh after. Please don't put that up.
Nothing is wrong with it. It just probably needs to blend in
Please don't put
properly.
that up.
Why?
Don't put up them picture. You don't look good. It don't look good.
What's wrong with it?
It don't look good. I can tell, Danielle. I can tell. Say that don't look good.
What do you mean? What's wrong with it? I think
You
it's
douse
fine.
the bottle of foundation all over your face. I can tell.
I just use one.
Why did you put so much?
I just use one
It's like
extra.
you dip your whole head in there.
No.
Or your lip then blending with it.
Really?
Yes.
No. I just have to put on my lipstick.
You can't go around like that.
Yes. What's wrong? You just
Babe,
don't
you
like
cannot-
makeup. You just don't like makeup. It's because you're not used to seeing me with so much makeup on. That's it.
So much makeup.
Yeah, you just it's probably just not
I
new
think that's an
to you.
understatement.
I think it's just new to
I think
you.
that's an understatement. That's way over.
What do you
use
mean?
too much.
Oh my god. It's just one extra pump. That's it. That's all I use.
That's more than one extra pump. That's more like 20 pumps. You just
No, it did not.
That don't look good, Danielle. Honestly, Danielle, may I tell you right now. You look like you know like you're like you have a white face and then the whole of your body black. That's what you look like. Honestly, that's how you look.
You're so dramatic.
And why you have it all over your body like that?
What do you mean?
Look here. What is the hell is this?
It just dropped on me.
It's all over your body.
No, it's not. I just have to change probably.
Y'all go through something? Y'all go through something?
I'm not wasting the foundation, so we're going on the road like
Well,
this.
no.
Where are you going?
No. We're not gonna stop.
Chad, where are you going?
Danielle, give me a chase while I get ready. Give me a chase while I get ready. Danielle, give me a chase while I get ready, cause you have to waste time. We have things we gotta do in the class. Come on, man. Come on. We know. Alright. But guess what? I just want to tell you something right now. I'm gonna tell you something right
What?
now. Me could have tell the way how you look.
No.
That me know you'll never gonna run like that, Danielle.
What's wrong with it, guys? Do you like it? Oh my god. I look like, the wax figures in the
Yes.
the wax museum.
Yes. Guys, she literally looked right or so. Like her head cut off with just it.
I think you can see better, like if I go with this.
To light.
Oh my god.
You look like a ghost figure. Like
The wax figures.
your face don't look real, brother. Your face no match with your body.
Volk. Chase is getting miserable because
Yeah.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
He's like, he eats his food, but he wants milk right
Yeah.
after.
You want to drink? You want to settle it down, guys. She couldn't fool me, you know. When we see the picture and then we look on her face and it match. Cause I swear it's a filter she used, you know. Cause I thought it's a filter she
How
used.
filter must look like that?
That's what I was saying, but that's the one thing that came to my head. And when I saw your actual face, you look like a brother. You look like a scarecrow, brother.
Oh, whatever. You're so dramatic.
No.
I look fine.
You need to take that
I'm
off.
going on the road just like this.
No, where the wipe them there?
No, I don't have.
Where's the wipe? Danielle, where the wipe them there?
I don't have any.
Where's the wipes?
I don't have
They need
any.
the wipes, guys. Honestly, I'm gonna tell you something. She come in like she'd have played for the movie in a House of Wax. You ever watch a movie there? She literally, her face look like she in the movie I stand up like this. Literally, that's her. Honestly, Danielle, you have to do better than that.
You.
Cause you couldn't get me. Me just be honest right now. You couldn't get me. You take an L for that.
I got you. I got you. Because you're still shocked when you saw me. Guys.
You know what gave it away too? I'm gonna tell you why it give it away. They right us so. Look here guys, look at that.
And on my leg too.
And on the leg, look here. It's all over her leg. No, watch her leg too much, you know. Watch what you do, you know. Yo, brother, watch what you do, you know. But anyways, guys, she couldn't get me. When I see that, I say, alright. She try prank me.
Just know that I need a new foundation. And it's a prank for you. You owe me a foundation now. Because it's my good nice foundation. And it's not cheap.
And let me tell you if you gonna use it.
It doesn't matter.
And let me tell you if you gonna use it, ma'am. And let me tell you if you gonna use it.
It doesn't matter.
Where me we get the money from? Guys, that's her fault, you know. Now, me never tell her if I'm gonna waste her foundation. Go comment down below if I should buy back a new foundation for her. Because, listen here.
And you should,
I never me tell you.
You should just take me on a little mini makeup spree. Yay!
Oh, where me we get the money from? Where me we get the money from? And where me we get the money from?
Guys, I'm wiping this off and I don't know. I think I'm gonna need a makeup remover. Another one. Because this is not gonna come off so easy.
Well, you know, all I say, you're gonna go on your face dry. No foundation, no nothing. Your fault, you waste your foundation. You come waste my time. Come over here and see this damn thing.
And we need to go on the road.
Look there. Look how much cake soap she used, man. Look there.
And we need to go on the road because I need to get some stuff. And I don't want to be on the road too long with all the things that's
Babe,
going
all
on.
what you're doing right now, nothing is working because it's still there.
Okay, I need to take Chase. I have to go in.
you need more than just that. You have anything else you can take that off?
No.
Shako needs some help.
We have a problem.
Cause guys, me not like to look. Yo, look. It's not even coming off. Like she's still glamming.
Glamming?
Guys, look at the catastrophe. 2 she used right now, and look there, she still need more. Wow.
This was a bad idea, guys.
Yeah, you thought?
This was a bad idea.
Yeah, it's really a bad idea. Look at it.
It was well worth it though because it still got you.
It's alright. We see what go on, you know, Team Chad. All when I try to do all them foolishness.
So what? I still got you.
Them can't get me back.
Yes.
Danielle, you did not get me. You did not get me.
Yes, I
You
did.
did not get me.
Yes.
Danielle, you did not
Did
get
you see
me.
the look on your face when you saw me?
Guys, she really thinks she get me, you know. Comment down below if she got me. Comment down below right now.
They're gonna see the reaction on your face when you
Alright, just know that you need to have 2 eyes in the back of your head right now, cause me I go prank you know.
By the way, this is like back to back for you.
Yeah, it's okay, but this one is an epic fail for you because
Get on your game, bro.
no, this is an epic fail for you, and this is going to be a good one for me. What's coming? Just be ready, because when it reach you, you gotta run like
you
thief.
must tell me it's coming.
Yeah?
No, it's not gonna come because I know that you're coming.
Whoa.
Okay, whatever.
Whoa.
Okay, guys, I kind of got most of it off. I'm gonna use one more, but guys, I was successful, even though you kind of got me in the end, but I was still successful. So like, share, comment, subscribe. Team Danielle, we got him again.
You never get me.